I've got to lift this metal panel off the back of here when I get this one screw out here. I'm going to try and get to the radiator to clean it out. I think that's what's up with it.
You will?
I hope. That's going to be one of the cheapest options. No! No, can't get it. Dropped in plastic.
Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? Should I get the egg? Should I bacon or egg?
I'll have a bacon, just bacon, please.
Why not eggs? What's with the chickens?
I don't like eggs very much. Oh no, that's not a good sign. I can see basically straight through it. Oh no. That's not a good sign. I can see basically straight through all fins. But while it's off, I'm going to get it clean. I've seen this bit here. I can't get it on camera. There's a bit down there that's got some stuff in it. I thought it were all going to be like that. In fact, it is pretty much. Yeah, I'm going to get a jelly shark. Made it a whole lot harder for my son. They were taking that off there, but I ain't got a spanner big enough for that neither. Product code. Happy with that. Oh well, that's that big. I'll take that one off. Ah, still that. Still tussled it. Slack on that one somehow. Not gonna get in there, am I? Cut my bleeding finger on. Gotta be careful with these when you're doing them, because you don't want to break that. I've broke that before and I've done one before. Oh, is there going to be enough room? Should be. No. I'm sure I had that out there last time. How the chuff did I get that out there last time? did I take off last time? Oh, I don't see how that's got to come off. It's definitely not go up there with it. That's chuffy bottom now, isn't it? Just there you go. Don't get tempted to pull them staples out. You need them in. It grounds that and lid together. So yeah, don't bother pulling them out. I'll try and get that. Oh, bleeding hell. Just pulled that off. I don't suppose it matters. As long as that bottom's in. I'll put that there. That has got to sit over that without breaking it. I don't think it's too bad on this one, but I've done it before where I broke them. I think it was on 771, 741. I've done them on smaller machines and ended up breaking them. Ah, that was not too bad. It's gone on where it's supposed to. Right. That's pretty tight. I'm happy with that. That's just needs air and topping up with oil. That drain plug putting in. Right, don't forget to put drain plug back in bottom. I'm going to just do that now. I'm going to have a funnel, so just going to have to make down. For some reason Doosan absolutely hate being code out for their oil, where you can't find it nowhere on the internet. They want you to buy this stuff. The reason I've only bought this is because I needed to get it done today so I can get back to work tomorrow. That's the only reason I can't get none from the local supplier. All it is rotary screw oil, compressor oil. That's all you need. You don't need to spend 110 quid that. You don't need to. But like I said, needs must. If I don't do this, I can't go back and fill my contract what I'm supposed to be doing. Should take about 10 litre, I think this. Got some all good on that way out. Yeah, you're kidding me. It's gone anywhere. That's tight. Don't have to be mega tight then. I'm going to leave diesel one. I'm going to leave this buttoned up. I'm just going to put oil in and I'm going to crank it, and then I'm going to do diesel because I want that Oh yeah, jeebus, that bleeder's tight. I want to get that oil pumping up to that radiator without any problems with it starting. Because I couldn't get out of no rotary screw oil, I could still get out of some engine oil, which is 1540 mineral oil from Eurocar parts. This is the stuff that I've been using. This is old top up bottle. It's just 1540 mineral oil. I think that was going to be too fast. Let's just see how it works. Yeah, it's too fast. See, it's just above, so I went filter. When it cranks up now, that filter goes in. Sucks some up into the filter, it should be alright. Sweet. Bang on top line there. Perfect. I've already cranked it up and all, and that's it sucked it through. Let's put that box back on, and dipstick showing that that's just on bang on perfect as well. So I'm just going to run it up now and see what happens. It's an 8 pain in the ass. Oh no, I don't want that to move. Yes, that's the one I wanted. Let's stare to that. Oh shit in there. Oh shit. Come on. He wants you to fill this with diesel, so I'm just going to put a bit of diesel around there, tighten that up and fill it up. But last time I get to see this colour in this machine. It's all going to white. But we've still got about a few more weeks left. But we're legally allowed to use it. Made in the USA. Oh, I think that'll do. Thanks for making that sound.